In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these images with perspective by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. I have set the prompt to draw an abandoned and dark train station. With AI's help, we can create these images in seconds. This is how the scene looks like in Blender. Unlike the previous tutorials, I'll be using this cycles render image directly as a depth map in Stable Diffusion. This is a simple cube, and I'm using cycles with 4 samples with denoise and composite turned off. The resolution is 512 by 512 pixels as usual. This is how I have created the perspective cube. The idea is to generate an image with a feeling of distance. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Now we're all set. Let's generate new Stable Diffusion images. They look awesome. I'll ask Stable Diffusion's AI to draw the abandoned station while looking at it from outside. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.